Now we also have some more options in this MicroStation. For example, here we have drop element, create complex chain, create complex shape, create region. So these four tools we will see now. So you need to take a create complex chain because these are like different entities compressing one single object. So if you want to join all together, you need to go here and you need to select the create complex chain, and you need to select like this and you need to accept with the left click. Now you can able to see that we have joined all the lines together. So this option we have here, create complex chain. So again it is like a closed entity, but it is like compressing lots of lines. So if you want to join all together, you need to go for create complex shape. So select. So you can select like this and you need to accept with the left click inside. Now you can able to see like we have joined all the lines together. So that we have create complex shape. So in create complex shape, we also have some other option that I will tell you now. So you need to select this and first we will try to drop it. So drop is similar to explode in AutoCAD. So now we can able to see like we have exploded or we have dropped the elements. So now I'm just going for create complex shape. So what I'm trying to do means only this, and I'm just going to accept. So you can able to see, so we have a square here, so it will close the boundaries also. Again I am just going for create complex shape, select this and accept with the left click inside, and you can able to see like it is again a separate object. Again I am just going for create complex shape, so do like this, accept with the left click inside. So now you can able to see, so three different objects. So you can able to create this kind of shapes using create complex shape. So we will try create complex shape, select. So we have created this kind of shape. So now we also have create region command. So in that you have flood, union, intersection, difference. So first we will try with the flood. So here you have keep original, associative, region boundary, everything. You can select it and you need to click inside. You can able to see the region. So you can able to take the region out. So I have something like this and I am trying to copy it. So escape one for escaping. Now I'm just going for create region. So I'm just going for union and I'm just going for outline with some color. So I'm just going to select two object and I'm just accepting it. Now you can able to see because of the outline with the color we got this one. And I'm just going for intersection and I'm just going for opaque and I'm just going for some red color. So select the object and you need to accept. So this is something called opaque. So I'm going for outlined again. I'm just going for some pink color. Going for this difference option. Select and then accept. So escape one. So like this you can able to create a regions also. So this region you can able to move somewhere. So that is the difference between region and then complex shapes. So from here we can able to switch off the fill.